Welcome back to the Leered channel. Imagine turning raw volcanic stone, born from fire and chaos, into a peaceful, living masterpiece in your own tropical garden. In this masterclass, we're diving into the art of Japanese stone arrangement, where every rock tells a story and every placement has purpose. But here's the twist: we're blending this ancient philosophy with lush tropical energy. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll see your garden not just as a space, but as a sanctuary shaped by intention. Before placing a single stone, step back and observe your garden from the outside looking in. This is where the magic begins. The entrance should feel like an invitation, subtle, intriguing, and calming. Use larger volcanic stones near the perimeter to create a sense of grounded strength. The hook. When done right, your guests will feel a shift in energy before they even step inside, like they're entering another world entirely. Volcanic stones are not just materials, they are natural sculptures shaped by time, pressure, and heat. Their porous texture and dark tones contrast beautifully with vibrant tropical greens. But here's something most people overlook: each stone has a face and a direction. Choosing the right orientation can completely transform the emotional impact of your garden. Once you see it, you'll never place a rock randomly again. In Japanese garden design, odd numbers create harmony, and the rule of 3 is your secret weapon. Arrange stones in triads, one tall, one medium, and one low. This creates a natural rhythm that mimics mountains, hills, and earth. The exciting part? This simple principle can instantly elevate your garden from cluttered to curated, making it look professionally designed without adding more elements. Now let's move inward, literally. Pathways are more than functional, they guide the viewer's experience. Use flat volcanic stones as stepping paths, slightly irregular in spacing to slow down movement and encourage mindfulness. Here's the hook. A well-designed path doesn't just lead somewhere, it makes people feel something. Every step becomes intentional, almost meditative, drawing visitors deeper into your garden story. A flat garden is a missed opportunity. By slightly burying some stones and elevating others, you create depth and visual intrigue. Combine this with tropical plants of varying heights, and suddenly your garden feels expansive, even if it's small. The trick? Make it look effortless, like nature arranged it herself. That illusion is what keeps people staring, wondering how you did it. Introduce a small water feature surrounded by volcanic stones, and everything changes. The dark rocks make water appear clearer, more reflective, more alive. Even a simple trickle can amplify tranquility. Here's what hooks your audience: sound. The gentle flow of water paired with textured stone creates a sensory experience that transforms your garden into a retreat you'll never want to leave. Now we soften the scene. Pair the rugged strength of volcanic stone with lush tropical plants like ferns, palms, or mosses. Let greenery spill over and around the stones, blurring the line between hardscape and nature. The contrast is captivating. And here's the secret: the more natural and slightly untamed it looks, the more authentic and calming your garden will feel. Every stunning garden needs a focal point. This could be a uniquely shaped volcanic stone, a lantern, or a small sculptural arrangement. Place it where the eye naturally lands, often at the end of a path or slightly off-center. The hook. A strong focal point doesn't just decorate your garden, it anchors it, giving viewers something memorable that keeps them coming back. Now imagine sitting inside your garden, surrounded by your creation. From this perspective, everything should feel balanced and intentional. Stones should frame views, not block them. Spaces should feel open yet intimate. This is where your design truly comes alive, not from above, but from within. The real question is, does your garden make you feel calm, inspired, and connected? just journeyed from the outer edge of your garden to its inner soul, learning how volcanic stones can shape not just a landscape, but an experience. The beauty of this approach is that it's deeply personal. There's no single correct design. So take these principles, experiment boldly, and let your garden evolve. Because in the end, the most stunning tropical Japanese garden is the one that reflects you.